In 1921, we patented the first electrical soldering iron. 100 years later, we have reinvented hand soldering for the digital age. Smart soldering starts now. Introducing the world's most connected soldering station, Ersa's all-new IoT soldering station, the Icon Trace. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi and an expandable network card, Icon Trace offers unmatched connectivity straight from the box. Gapless process data documentation is a key feature for future electronic production. Hand soldering has so far been the limiting factor to it. Well, here's your missing link. Icon Trace closes the last remaining gap of traceability, allowing full integration even in MES-controlled production processes. Experience fully traceable hand soldering. Assign soldering jobs via MES, PC, or your smartphone. Define and monitor the parameters for each individual soldering job, thus making sure that each workpiece is being soldered according to their exact specifications. Soldering tip, material, and soldering duration are electronically traced for your own and your client's documentation. For the operators, soldering has never been more straightforward. Simply scan your PCB assembly, soldering tip, soldering wire, and fluxing agent with the hand scanner, so the system knows you meet all the requirements for the assigned soldering job. The simple yet extremely effective LED interface of the Icon Trace will then literally give you the green light to start soldering as soon as the soldering tip has reached the predefined temperature. An effective way to make sure that each soldering joint is being soldered at the exact right temperature. Focus on what matters most, the soldering process itself. With its impressive 150 watts of power and its entirely new soldering tip technology, Icon Trace offers outstanding performance. It heats up extremely fast and reheats even faster, thanks to its amazingly precise temperature control unit. A new soldering job is demanding a different tip? No problem. Icon Trace allows you to exchange soldering tips quickly and safely, even when they're still hot. Another plus, tips and heating element can be exchanged separately. Used and worn-out soldering tips can therefore be replaced very inexpensively, making the Icon Trace both environmentally and economically more sustainable. Once more contributing to the Icon Trace's overall efficiency and ensuring a speedy return on investment. Icon Trace, the world's most connected soldering station.